Hey there, today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the DocAI Image Generator to create a creative image based on text input. First of all, you have to click the extension and to click Start to be able to execute the add-on sidebar. Then you have to provide some text. I am going to type sports at school, and then I'm going to write additional text, which is, I don't know, my favorite teacher is a swimming coach. Then you have to click text to image menu from the sidebar, and after going into that section you have to highlight the text that you would like to be used to as a prompt to generate the actual image. More specifically, with that also you have to select the image style along with the text that the analyzer is going to generate for you. After having the analyzed text for as an input for the image, you can click generate button, and the generate button will trigger the AI with the input from the analyzer to generate the image for your document. After the image being generated, it will show as a pop-up window to you, and you have two options. The first one is to regenerate the actual image if you don't like it, or the other option is to insert it into the document. I'll insert the image into the document, and with that you are going to have nice well formatted document with text and AI generated image from your input. If you have any questions, please send me an email, or maybe you can leave a comment in the video below. Thank you.